iPhone was locked. How to get into a locked iPhone without passcode. Follow us to unlock locked iPhone with iTunes or PassFab iPhone Unlocker. First, connect your iPhone to the computer. Press and hold volume down button and power button to put it into recovery mode. Open iTunes. It will pop up a window to remind you to restore your iPhone. Restore and update. Or you can just use PassFab iPhone Locker to get into your locked iPhone. Run PassFab iPhone Unlocker. If you didn't install it, go to PassFab official website to get it. Now, press Start button below Unlock iOS screen. Click Next. Follow the on-screen instructions to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Download the matching firmware. Click Start Remove. And wait. Now, you can get into your iPhone and set up it.